Okay guys, in the last few months, this Faceless YouTube channel has earned over $20,000 from uploading these simple motivational and philosophical videos. And if we take a closer look, it was literally started like 3 months ago. The most popular video on this channel has done over 800,000 views. And in total, this channel has done over 1.3 million views, which is just insane. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own YouTube automation channel using this method. I promise you guys, I will show only real value. That's right, guys. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you will have all the knowledge needed to start your own YouTube automation business. We will literally do everything from creating the channel, designing the logos, and developing our characters, to writing scripts, and obviously, creating our first video together. Typically, people spend thousands of dollars on courses to get this information, but I will give it to you for free. All I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will not disappoint you. Are you ready for this? Let's go. To start off, we obviously need a channel and branding for it. So go over to your YouTube studio and create a channel. It's an easy process, so you can create channel by your own. So now we are ready to create our logo. To create logo, we will need an AI image generator of your choice. I will use Leonardo AI. So first, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a design idea for the logo. Now, the channel we are modeling uses monks and other philosophers as their characters. Well, I think we have a real opportunity here to create an outstanding channel. You see, they are using boring and very common characters. How about we create something unique with the help of AI? So let's ask ChatGPT to provide us with a list of characters who would look appropriate in this situation. They would have to literally look educated, have wisdom in their presence, and generally remind us of Stoic philosophers or Shaolin monks. Once it provides you with a list of ideas, tell it which one you chose and ask it to give you the text prompt for it that you can use in an AI image generator. Now head over to Leonardo AI and click on Image Generation right here on the left. Now just paste your logo prompt from ChatGPT and hit generate a few times. Boom, our logo is done. Just download the one you like and upload it to your channel. Okay, we are finally ready to move on to the video creation process. Use an AI tool, it's called TubeMagic. It's a tool that makes growing on YouTube easy. So let's do everything in order. There are 2 ultimate ways to generate a viral script using this tool. You can try it out for free for 7 days. So the first way is once you create an account, you will land on the homepage. Now on the left side, click on Ideation right here. Next, click on Video Ideas. So now let's go to the channel we are modeling. Click on Videos. Now sort them by popularity. Next, copy their most popular video's title, and let's go back to TubeMagic. So on the homepage, scroll down to find the scripting section, and click on the Video Scripts tool. Now paste the title of the most popular video below. Make sure to choose General Script. Now, on the right side, we can choose the desired amount of words. Afterwards, click on Generate and wait about 30 seconds for the script to be generated. And boom, just like that, we have a ready-to-go video script within seconds, thanks to TubeMagic. Alright, here comes the voiceover. So let's go to 11 Labs for this purpose. The link to 11 Labs will be down below on the left side. Go to Speech, and you will end up right here. Now we need to choose our voice click in the bottom left of this box to open up the voice menu. So 11 Labs offers a ton of voices, and you can feel free to scan through and choose the one you like. Generate and download the voiceover from 11 Labs. And we are ready to proceed to the next steps. Alright, now let's create our visuals. So first, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to provide us with some visuals for our story. First of all, ChatGPT obviously needs to know our story, so we will need to create a special prompt. Basically, we will tell it to get inspired by our script and generate the visuals. To be exact, I wrote the prompt that requires it to generate 15 text prompts for Leonardo AI. It has to be super colorful, in 3D, realistic, and visually representing the wisdom theme. We are also going to tell it to use the same character as we did for the logo design. Now let's go to Leonardo AI. To use Leonardo AI, simply create an account. On a free account, they allocate 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough for our purpose. So now just go to image generation right here next. Go to ChatGPT and just paste the first prompt in now. At the end of the prompt, type in the additional prompt of hyper-realistic, because I think it really helps to make these images look super realistic. Now hit generate, and as you can see, it gave us something quite good. So I'm going to open this one to take a closer look, and as you can see, it turned out crazy good. And this is literally what's so good about these AI image generators. So I'm going to close off this one and download this picture. Now repeat this process again and start getting the collection together. Okay, we got our images ready. Now let's animate these pictures to take our video to the next level. We will use Leonardo's built-in animation tool for that. So go to Personal Feed right here. Click on Image, and right here, you will see this button. It brings motion. Next, literally just click on it, set the motion to around 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and hit Generate. Obviously, the higher this setting is, the more movement you will have in the video. Okay, now let's see what we've got. Now we have an animated image within seconds. Repeat this process with all the images and download them all. Just like that, our B-roll footage is done. So now we've got the script thanks to TubeMagic, the voiceover from 11 Labs, and we've used GPT to come up with the image prompts for Leonardo. Now if you feel like something's missing, it's because we have no music. And in order to find a really great track that isn't copyrighted, meaning you could use it on YouTube with no problems or legal issues, head over to a royalty-free music provider called Epidemic Sound with the link below. You can try it out for 1 week for free. Just go ahead and download the track you find. Now it's time to put everything together. You can use whatever editing software that you prefer. I will personally go with CapCut. So first of all, when you create a new project file, make sure to hit Modify on the right side here and choose 16:9 as the aspect ratio. Now, obviously, import the voiceover that we downloaded all the animated pictures, and of course, the music. Okay, so the next step is editing the voiceover. Make sure to remove all the pauses from the voiceover to make it engaging. Next, drag all pictures onto the timeline. Now I will keep it simple and just add a simple transition between the pictures from Transition tab. Next up, we could add an effect to make the video look extra clean. The channel we are modeling doesn't use any effects in their videos, so we could have a competitive advantage here and dominate this niche. So go to Effects right here. Now navigate to the Nature section and apply this effect called Firefly. Okay, it looks good. You can also add captions to your video to look more engaging. Okay, now we are ready for the export. Literally hit Export, choose 60 FPS and 1080p and wait a few minutes. Also, you can create a thumbnail for your video by using Canva easily. Now we are all done. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.